Good morning. Yesterday we completed lesson 16. Today we're going to finish lesson 16 by completing the workbook page. You should have the workbook page either printed, just like I have on the screen, or set up on a separate piece of paper. So I'm going to give you a minute to get that out, get that ready, and then we'll begin our work for today. At the top of lesson 16 workbook page, you should see part 1 right here. I'm going to read some problems. There's either a plus sign or a minus sign next to each number. Here's the plus sign. Here's the minus sign. I'm going to say sentences. You're going to circle the plus sign if the sentence pluses. You're going to circle the minus sign if the minuses. Here's a sentence for A. Jim took 3 frying pans from the kitchen. Did the kitchen end up with more frying pans or less frying pans? Listen again. Jim took 3 frying pans from the kitchen. So does the kitchen end up with more or less? It ends up with less. You're going to circle the minus sign for part 1, letter A. Next question. Part 1, letter B. 12 dogs went out to the park. Did the park end up with more dogs or less dogs? Listen again. 12 dogs went out to the park. Did the park end up with more dogs or less dogs? So did the park plus or minus dogs? The park has more dogs. If 12 dogs went to the park now has more dogs. So you're going to circle the plus sign. Letter C. 45 people got on a plane. Did the plane end up with more people or less people? 45 people got on the plane. Circle the plus sign because 45 people got on. That means there's more people on the plane now. Now you're going to complete the rest on your own. I'm not going to complete them on the screen with you. You're going to listen to the sentence, circle if it should be a plus or minus, and then when you're all done today's lesson, you'll take a picture and you'll send it to me through email or through Remind. Ready? Letter D. Miss Anderson put 5 tools in the garage. Think of yourself if the garage ended up with more tools or less tools. So, Miss Anderson put 5 tools in the garage. Does the garage now have more tools or less tools? You're going to circle the plus sign or the minus sign. Circle the plus sign if the garage has more tools now. Circle the minus sign if it has less tools. She put 5 tools in. Letter E. 9 children got out of the swimming pool. 9 children got out of the swimming pool. Did the swimming pool plus or minus children? Circle plus or minus. Sentence F. Millie put 9 cookies on the table. Think. Did the table end up with more cookies or less cookies? Millie put 9 cookies on the table. Does the table have more cookies now or less cookies? Circle plus if it has more cookies. That's it for part 1. You should have this part completed now. Part 2. We're going to practice writing 2-part numbers. You're going to write numbers that have 2 parts. Touch space A. The first number you're going to write is 31. Listen, 31. I'll write that one with you. 31. Okay? Let's keep writing two-part numbers. Part 2, letter B. Write 18. 18. Great job. I'm going to give you a few more two-part numbers, and you're going to write them on the lines. Next to letter C, write 71. Next to letter C, write 71. D, write 53. Write the two-part number 53. Next to E, write 12. 12. And next to F, write 98. Great job. You should now have this part done. Part 3. This is a number line for teen numbers, but some of the numbers are missing. What's the first number that's missing? 11, 12, 13 is missing. 14. What's the next number that's missing? 15. You're going to finish writing the missing numbers. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Fill in the next 3 missing numbers. Pause if you need time to fill this in. If you're ready, I'll move on to part 4. Part 4. These problems plus 1. Later, you'll write the answers to all of the problems. Find part 5 on your workbook page. Each problem has plus 0, plus 1, and plus 2 problems. You'll write the answers to each problem. Part 6. These problems plus 10. You'll complete each equation. You're going to do these 3 parts independently. So I'll do the first one with you for each section, and then you'll finish the page on your own. Ready? Go back to part 4 where they have the plus 1 problems. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Say it with me. 5 plus 1 equals 6. Great job. Let's do the first problem in part 5. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. And 4 plus 2 equals 6. You can see a pattern. As what we're adding goes up, our answer goes up. So if we're adding 0, our answer stays at 4. If we're adding 1, our answer goes up to 5. If we're adding 2, our answer goes up to 6. As this column gets greater or is more, our answer is also more. Now, we know plus 10 numbers because we can count by tens from any number. 30 plus 10 equals 40. At this time, you're going to go back, complete parts 3, 4, 5, and 6. When you're done completing parts 3, 4, 5, and 6, take a picture of your work and either email it to me or send it to me through Remind. If you have any trouble, don't forget to reach out so I can help you. Have a great day.